and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be an interesting one, as in this video we'll learn how to create amazing wedding invites on your own with a tool called Canva. Whether you are a design pro or a complete beginner, Canva makes it super easy to create beautiful invitations. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Open Canva in the browser. Here in the search bar, type wedding invitation video. Scroll down a little and here we have some amazing invite templates to choose from. Just select the one you like. Click on Customize this template. This is the invite that we have selected. Now, all you have to do is replace the text here by your own. For that, just click on the text that you want to change. You can even change the other details as per your requirement. Also, if you want, you can change the font type, its color, and its position. Just select the font you like. You can even add music to your invite. Go to the Elements section, search for wedding music. And here from the Audio section, choose the one you like. Finally, to save it, click on Share and then Download. Save it in MP4 format and click Download. So there you have an amazing wedding invite customized as per your requirement. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.